test. All right, guys, welcome back to part 2 of the RSX well, I wouldn't call it the rebuild. I guess you'd call it the reconstruction, the repair. The hit the wall, A-FLEM couldn't control it, hit the wall. As you all heard in the last video with the giveaway, which congratulations to our winners of that giveaway. Skylar had a little incident with his hand with the bando, which is pulled back right here. Me, we are trying to get it back together. I'm sorry, I'm stumbling over my words. I'm forgetting. As you can see, I forget because we need a bigger shop, I think. We got Legends, RSX, bando, and we got the other build going on, which is coming out. So we're gonna get right into this. I'm gonna pull y'all around front and we'll show you what we got going on finishing up. All right, we're back to the front now. And as you can see, other than some dirt, and we still ain't washed it, and a little bit of touch-up paint, we did end up going with the same covers just because I'm not sure of the season, but I feel like we're halfway through, and if y'all know Skylar like I do, or get to know Skylar like I do, this whole thing in all season will probably be all new stuff, maybe new hood, and it don't even look that bad. He'll go through it all. It'll be a brand new car for next season, new sponsors, new stickers, new everything. So, me and Dad thought for just to finish it up, I don't know if y'all can see this one. It's got a little dings, but I'm just going to use that so that we don't waste new metal every time that we hit. I'm going to try my best to not use the front. I saw some advice on Facebook and YouTube. Y'all tell me don't ever hit with the front. Well, now I know. So, what we're going to do now is continue getting some of this in. I've got a few right here that I think I got to drill out. Let's see if we can get one in. We're adding some washers. I might be in y'all's way. Just hold up. And we're going to move on to something else. So yeah, it does look like I'm going to have to drill. This is the last one right here. All right, we're going to get these, see how many we have. Like I said, it's kind of dinged up, but we'll get some paint and get this whole front. 1, 2, 3, 4 that we're going to need to drill out. So let me grab the drill. And I'm sure Skylar has mentioned it a few times, but we are hurting for some drill bits. And honestly, I'm not sure if I need to find online where I can buy pop rivet drill bits for just a big bag full of them, but it's a hurting to find a good bit around here. We popped them. I'm not sure if we bought, these are some Harbor Freight ones, and I don't know the quality of Harbor Freight. Usually for some small stuff, it doesn't matter. As you can tell by my face, it's hot. So I'll just sit down about how hot it is. Let's see if this bit works. Well, that one worked. I think I actually drilled new holes there, so we don't need little washers behind it. Put it in. Yep, that grabs pretty good. Y'all can hear the famous airboats in the background, I'm sure. That one grabs really good. This one might need to be. Nope, that's good. All right. That's back. This front is strong. Nothing goes there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going see if I can find some quick sandpaper, because I do want to wash it. So y'all hold up, I'm gonna get some sandpaper. I might have to run down to the house and we will get that kind of painted up. All right, I forgot to start the camera, but I did get some sandpaper and just fix some of the flaking. I know that kind of looks rough, but we're now gonna lift this up and do a quick spray, kind of like a base coat on the that panel. We are not using this really good spray paint. We're just gonna give it a base. Kind of pretty dark, actually. Just to kind of, we'll come back later, maybe later today, and try to get it smoothed out. But that's why we like black, because it's easy to apply. Looks like it's flaking down here a little bit. Really dark, I like it. Now, probably see, here, let's get a little bit farther back. We'll wash that. Car don't even look, it just looks dinged and danged up. Yeah, we'll put new one of those, and that what was good was, let me set this down, was that it did not, when I hit the wall, it did not, crack the bumper at all. So we are fortunate there. So let's move on over to the getting the air box back in. All right, now we got the front end. We're gonna move on over to the air box here. I'm gonna get some power steering fluid. That's what that is. Try to get this kind of cleaned up. This is the area we want to work on. I think I'm supposed to get some hose. We might go to the store and get some hose to connect. I guess that's some type of vent or a breather for the inside. So, making it back to the shop. There's the bando. Gotta see if I can convince Skylar to let me paint the rims now. Might have to go with a bigger tire. I'll show y'all what I'm about to do. I'm just gonna put this on the other side of here so that it's not in the way of this piece, because it looks like that clips into the hose. So, got this hose off. Moving that back around. This, I guess, goes on top. I'll get that in a second. All right. Now we'll put the box section of it. There it is. Let's stick this in there, like so. Got this on. Well, gotta get it on. There it is. All right, I'm gonna tighten this all up, and that will be good. All right, I'm gonna finish this up, and then we'll move on to the next thing. Kind of got stuck. I don't know if y'all saw that spark. That was funny. I am now missing and cannot find, would you believe it, a 10 millimeter. I found one here though. This is all on, batteries on. I'm trying to get a flashlight. Right. Now, I feel like we should be good. I'll check the have to go get power steering fluid. Just crank it up and add water. Just by the way, if you're annoyed by that buzzing noise, that's the fan. I told y'all it's hot here. Let's get the water hose in here and add the water to it. Quiet. Which is good news. Seems to be running good. I want to get some of that power steering fluid all day. Hi. Honestly, Skylar knows more about this. Well, Skylar knows more about cars in general. But I don't know how much water this thing goes. I keep adding it, but it looks like it's at the top. I've done it by myself. Don't know if it's going to do right. Still keep adding water. Temperature's sitting where it's supposed to be. And I don't really know where I keep adding this water, where it's going, I guess. I don't know. There it is, come up to the top. Want to make sure we get a list of everything we need. I might ask them, they got some hoses. We got a backup generator. I'd like to have some backup hoses and clamps, just in case. Not saying I'm going to hit the wall again. Never know what can happen then. Alright, we'll do a quick cleanup. Take it down the road. Let it sit for a little bit more. I'm going to give it its first wash real quick while we're waiting. Let's hit the track. Everybody wave. Skylar's come out to check the progress. How you feeling?
My fingers throbbing.
Let's see if I can get them up there. How you feeling?
My fingers throbbing like a mug. I'm on some heavy medicines to try to keep the pain down, but I'm proud of Austin for getting the car looking like it does.
All right, Skylar's gonna be on a strict popcorn and pickle diet for a little bit. Well, that's me, I'm sorry. Let's give this thing a quick wash while we wait. I'll see if I can put y'all in the car with me. Let's take a ride. Definitely need a repaint job, but that's all right. Let's get y'all in the car. Get y'all in the car, and then we'll actually put the throttle to it a little bit. We're just gonna ease into it. Definitely need power steering. Definitely need power steering. that's it. I'm done. We can still do some stuff as far as tires and getting the black and some body work here and there, putting some screen underneath here and behind that to block the dirt, but it's raceable. It almost looks like it wasn't. Definitely didn't look like it's bent a frame. I mean, that looks kind of rough. I do want to say thank you to all the sponsors and all our subscribers, and appreciate y'all hanging out with this part 2 RSX rebuild, hitting the wall A-FLEM can't drive video. We look forward to getting back on the track as soon as we could, and then Skylar's little incident happened. So that being said, for right now she's gonna sit and just be ready. But I guess really it all depends on Skylar to see what he wants to do. So I guess we'll see y'all in the next video. Have a good one.